I'm Emily.
And I'm Sierra. Today we're going to share our tips on how to build a one-shot with a little Halloween flair.
Creating a generic one-shot starts with giving the players a simple, clear goal, like killing the evil necromancer or retrieving a legendary item. Keep it straight to the point, as anything too complex will take a while, and soon enough you'll be in the middle of a campaign.
Have a clear bad guy for your players to know about that they will face. They could be going through a huge compound to destroy the bloodthirsty bandit, or be searching for the mysterious killer of the haunted woods. You want them to have a clear target and purpose.
Make sure to have some kind of reward at the end, whether that be a magic item or a dragon's hoard.
Having a one-shot that is all battles and nothing else will not be very fun for your players. You want to have a healthy balance of combat, roleplay, and exploration for the best experience for your group. And make sure not to have any major loose ends. Players just won't feel satisfied if the bad guy gets away.
Another pro tip is having a twisted trope. A twisted trope is a familiar story that has been changed in some way. For example, the trope could be the Hansel and Gretel story, in which the players encounter a witch that wants to eat them. The twist could be that the witch has shrunk them down, and now they must find a way to grow themselves while also avoiding her attempts at eating them. Having a twisted trope is exciting as it helps players relate to the story in a much more personalized way.
This is the basics of what you'll want to include in any one-shot you make. But to spookify it for Halloween, we suggest setting the mood with some haunting music to play in the background. What I found for Halloween one-shots or sessions is that it relies more on the theatrical side. If they're in a haunted house, put your players on edge by the sound of a little child giggling. Or, if your adventurers are sneaking through a haunted forest, describe the chilling fog and how they, for a moment, catch a glimpse of a pale woman with claws peeking around a tree.
To hit those classic Halloween vibes, make sure to include some iconic Halloween monsters. They can be encountered on the way to their destination, or you can place them as the major villain of the one-shot. Some classic Halloween monsters are werewolves, vampires, spiders, witches, which are referred to as hags in the game, and undead. You could have banshees, wraiths, ghosts, and or zombies.
To make a really terrifying session, you don't scare the characters. You scare the players.
Along those lines, try to build tension throughout the entire session. For example, you could have a creepy doll that keeps moving to a new spot whenever the players aren't looking. Or have the players hear someone screaming in the room ahead, only to find it empty when they go to investigate. Whatever you do, include that spooky stuff.
Halloween one-shots or sessions are meant to be fun, so if you want, go full nerd, dress up, set up Halloween decorations, and have those creepy themed snacks. This is the perfect time to be in the Halloween spirit with your friends.
Thank you so much for joining us today. Put in the comments below the D&D questions you want answered.
And we'll see you next time. Subscribe, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Subscribe.
Oh yeah.